Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing the Higher Paper series, Higher Paper 2, question 24. So it's a calculator paper, and we've been given here a triangle, ABC. There's a side here that's 7 centimeters and an angle of 70 degrees. We're told that the area of ABC is 42 centimeters. And we have to find the length of AB, that's that side, to 3 significant figures. And it's a 5-mark question, so let's make sure that's clear. That's 7. That's 70, and the area is 42. So I'm going to label the sides. That's angle A, so I'm going to label that as side A. That's angle C, so that's side C, and that's angle B, so that one's side B. So it's a trigonometry question. We've been given the area of a triangle, 42, and we know that the area can be found using a half AB sine of C, and we're told that it's 42. So I'm going to substitute in what we know. We know that half we have B, which is 7. We don't have A, so we've got sine of 70. So I'm going to rearrange that. Multiply the 42 by 2. Divide through by the 7 sine 70, and that'll equal A. So I can plug that all into my calculator and do 42 times 2 divided by 7 sine 70. On the modern calculators you can do that with the fraction button. Older calculators you might need to use brackets. And I get an answer of 12.77, and that looks reasonable. If that's 7, I'm not getting an answer of 300 or 0.0 something, so that looks fair. I now need to use the cosine rule to find AB. Now the cosine rule says a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A, but it actually doesn't matter how you label the triangle. It could be rearranged that c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos C, as long as the angles are corresponding. And because I've already labeled my triangle, I'm going to use this form. But again, it has to be the included angle of those two sides. So c squared equals the new answer that we've got, plus 7 squared minus twice that new answer, which I'm going to keep in my calculator so I can use the whole value of it, times 7 times cos of angle 70. And I should be able to set that all out in my calculator in one step using my answer button. So I'm going to use answer squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times the answer times 7 times cos of 70. That should give me an answer equals 150.92. That's c squared, and I'm going to then take square root of the answer, again the answer button there, and that gives me 12.285. They've asked us to give it to 3 significant figures, so 12.3 significant figures. And again, I know that's a reasonable answer because it's not a small decimal like 0 point something, it's not too big, it's in the range of what the other sides are, 12 and 7 and another 12. So thanks for watching. That's the use of area rule and cosine rule, and finishing the higher paper series. We've got one more question to do. So please like, subscribe and share.